Many parents worry that they don't spend enough time with their children, wondering if this will lead to developmental delays. So, here is a video for you. So, there are some parents they feel guilty about working full time or experience anxiety about choosing to work. A recent study in the Journal of Marriage and Family they questions the impact the amount of time mothers spend with their child has on the academic achievement, behavior and emotional well-being of the child. As parent and caregivers, we can make choices to ensure time spent with your child, and the time should be quality time. So here are some tips like the way you can spend time with your child. See, you have to give them time by going outside with them and taking walks, going for plays, and going for swimming. Anything you can do. You can play with your child even during the bath time. So, every little bit of time makes a positive impact. It is not about endless hours of time, it's about how you choose to spend that time that truly matters. So, children they need high quality time with their parents. Have a daily connect time with your child. Do this face to face if possible, but if it's not an option, then create a routine for doing so in other ways, such as leaving a note in your child's lunch bag or posting a note by his toothbrush or anything you can do. Just connect with your child. As you can see, my daughter is playing in the sand area. So that is also a good activity. You can take your child to the sand area and the play area and let them interact with other kids. Life is busy, we all know it. Between work and life responsibilities, days passes us by in the blink of an eye, and we parents we worry like we don't have enough time with our children, but have no despair. We have lots of things which we can do to make our child happy, like we can laugh and be silly with your child, you can play games with your child, create a special ritual for with your child so that they can do an activity daily. Like you can see my daughter is giving bath to Laddu Gopalji, and it's a good thing, she's saying her prayers and giving bath. So that kind of thing you can do with your child to have a connection. And other thing which you can do is like let her make faces, let them laugh, don't teach them at the early stage like behave like this and that, don't stop her. It's a like basic thing with the child. Your child is in development stage, and whatever the child is doing it is creating an impact on her brain, so let them play. And don't use mobile phones, don't text, don't scroll the social media sites while talking to your child. It is creating a very adverse impact on your child's health. Please avoid these things, and thanks for watching.